Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. Satish. Let us see this problem now. Solve graphically the system of equations x plus y equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Two equations are given to you. They are asking you to solve it graphically instead of doing these simulation simultaneous equations. And also they are asking to find out the points where the lines meet the y-axis. Okay, meet the y-axis. So for making it very clear, I have drawn the graph sheet here. If you see very carefully, in the examination, they may or may not give the graph sheet, but you can directly draw it on a plain paper like this. This is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. This is your horizon O. Okay. Then on the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Okay. Now what you have to do is when two equations are given to you and they are asking you to find out graphically the solution. Solution means finding out the value of x and y. So what you need to do is just put up make a table like this. You need to make two tables like this. Okay. The first table is corresponding to the first equation. So take any value of x and find out the value of y from this equation 1. So this table is for the first equation. Okay. What I'll do is you can take any number of values, but it will be very good if you take 4 values. Okay. So let us take x value as 0. If you keep x value as 0 is equal to 0 in this first equation, y will be equal to 3. If I take x value as 1, so y will be equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. If I take 2, y will be equal to 3 minus x minus 2, so this will be 1. I'll take minus 1 here just for the other side also, x equal to minus 1. If I take minus 1, y will be equal to 4, isn't it? Similarly, for the second equation also, put up a table, draw a table, an arbitrary table, assuming the values of x and y in this way. This is your x, this is your y. Once again, you can take any values, okay? It's not like that whatever I am taking here you need to take it. You can take any values, okay? Make sure that the values of y you obtain so that you can plot it on the graph sheet. That is what you need to be very clear, okay? Let us make once again x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, y will be equal to minus 2, isn't it? 3 into 0, 0. So minus 2y equal to 4, y will be equal to 4 by minus 2, that will be minus 2. Let us take x equal to 1. If it's x equal to 1, it's 3. So 3 will go that side, so it will be 4 minus 3, 1 by minus 2, it will be minus 0.5. Instead of that, let us take x value as something like this, 4. Okay, so 3 into 4, 12. 12 if it goes that side, it will be how much? I'm doing it here, 3x, 3 into 4 minus 2 into y equal to 4, isn't it? So minus 2y equal to 4 minus 12, this is equal to minus 8, right? So y will be equal to minus 8 by minus 2, this will be equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. I hope it is clear. 3 into 4 minus 2 into y equal to 4. So minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 12, isn't it? So it will be minus 8. So minus 2y equal to minus 12, minus 8, and y is equal to 4. Similarly, you can take another value, let us take it as minus 2, something like this. Take minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus if it goes that side, it will be 10. So 10 divided by minus 2 will be minus 5. Okay. Similarly, you can take value of something maybe 2. If you take 2, now you can take 2, 6. You can take 2 here. If you take 2 here, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 if it goes that side, 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. So minus 2 by y will be equal to 1. So in this way you can plot the tables 1 and 2 for the two equations respectively. And then you need to try to plot it. How do you plot it? You have to draw this x-axis and y-axis in this way. Plot all. This is your horizon, this is your O, right? Or 0 you can say here. So on the right hand side, this is the x-axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis on the downside, okay? Right? Now for x value of 0, I'm plotting the first point. 0, y value is 3. So this will be 3. This is 0, 3. Okay, I'm just writing it for this particular point. Then for x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So this is another point. And 2, y, 2 is 1. Right? Minus 1. X equal to minus 1. What is the value of y is 4. So somewhere around here. Okay. Now when you join this one, since it is not purely symmetrical, draw it, you get a straight line. Like this. It's a straight line. These are lines equal straight lines. These are linear equations, right? This is the first equation. This is for the first one. Similarly, for the second one, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So this is what? So this point. For 4, once again it is equal to 4 on the other side, here, somewhere around here. And for minus 2, it is minus 5. Minus 2 equal to somewhere around here. I'm plotting it here. So minus 2, minus 5. So this will be, and 2, it is equal to 1. For 2, it is 1. Once again here, for the same thing. So I'm getting one more point here. So when you join this one, okay, you get another straight line. This is another straight line. So this is equation 2, right? So you got two equations here. Now, what is the point of intersection? The two lines are intersecting at a point here somewhere. So what is the point? 2, 1, isn't it? So the point of intersection is is 2, 1. Both the lines are intersecting at that point. Okay. Next, find the points where the lines meet the y-axis. So you have to find out the line where it meets the y-axis. So this one is meeting at a point 0, 3. So already got it. 0, 3, right? And this line is meeting the y-axis. This line is meeting the y-axis at 0, so this is the answer. For the second line, second line is meeting the y-axis somewhere around here. This will be 0, minus 2. Isn't it 0 x-axis, y-axis, y coordinate is minus 2. So this is another. So we have both are intersecting at points 2, 1, and the first equation is intersecting at y-axis at 0, 3, and the second equation is intersecting the y-axis at 0, minus 2. This is how you need to do it. So no need to have a graph sheet. You can directly draw it in a very neat way in this fashion. Okay. So this is a common problem in the examinations. They will be asking you. You need to practice a lot so that you can do it at a faster rate. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood. Thanks a lot. Keep following. Thank you.